Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll show you how to use hierarchies in your stories. This is a way of organizing structures into groups. Those groups fall into a couple of categories, so hierarchy will allow you to break it down utilizing the drop-down arrows. Let's begin. Starting from our home page, I'll click on the catalog tab here to see all of my stories. Then, I'll use the search bar to type in the story I want to see. For this example, I'll use the fun details statement and click on Open to view it. At the prompt screen, the first thing I have to do is delete this pre-populated value by clicking on the X button here. Now, I'll change the range function here to the equal sign since I already know my fund and will be pasting a single value to see my data. Once everything looks good, I'll click on Set. We can select hierarchies in either the Edit or View mode. I'll show you how to select it in the Edit mode first, which requires you to save your story. After your data loads up, we'll click on File, Save As, and we can save our story here to our root directory. We'll rename our story and click on OK when we're done. Afterwards, we'll click on the Edit mode here, then we'll click on the Designer. We'll click on Builder and select anywhere in the body of our story to see the data populate in the Designer. We'll scroll down and delete a few rows to make it easier to see our story. Then, we'll add a measure or dimension by clicking here, searching for Fund Center, and clicking on the checkmark box here to add it. Now, we'll click on the three dots here, select Hierarchy, and we'll change it from Flat Presentation to Fund Center. We'll see the word Root under our Fund Center column, and clicking on the arrow will break down the structures and groups. You can keep breaking down the groups as long as they have an arrow next to them. In addition to that, we can also select hierarchies from the View mode. We'll click on View over here. Then we'll right-click on Commitment Item, Fiscal Year, or Fund Center and select our hierarchy. Be sure to click on Set after selecting a hierarchy to apply it to your story. Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.